Welcome to Orbit Career School and College virtual class. This is my fifth class. I hope you enjoyed my previous classes. Then today I am going to my lecture. Today my lecture's topic is tech question. Before I am going to start my lecture, you have to pause this video and you wrote down all these things what I am writing in this book. If you want to know the tech question properly, you have to know few basic things, which is very basic. You have to know. Otherwise, you will not get these questions easily. So the things are you have to know. These things are, first of all, you have to know the auxiliary verb. So you have to know the auxiliary verb. What is auxiliary verb? Auxiliary verb is actually helping verb, whose verb is helps the other verbs and nouns. So the auxiliary verbs, there are many auxiliary verbs you have to memorize. You must be memorized. The auxiliary verbs are, I am writing the board and I am pronouncing the auxiliary verbs. The verbs are am, is, are, was, are, shall, should, can, could, may, might, have, has, had, do, did, does, have to, has to, had to, used to, ought to, need, and so on. I will repeat my statement. You have to memorize all these verbs, otherwise you will not solve the tech question. So we know the auxiliary verb, right? Okay. Then we have to identify the sentence either affirmative or negative. Suppose there is a sentence, John is singing a song. Is this sentence affirmative or negative? We see that there is no negative sign. Obviously, this is affirmative because there is no sign of negativity. So, if the sentence is affirmative, then we have to negative. I am repeating my statement. If the sentence is affirmative, then you have to turn into it negative. Then the third one is auxiliary verb. If in the sentence there is no auxiliary verb, what you have to do? You have to bring auxiliary verb. Suppose in this sentence, nobody called me. Nobody called me. Is there any auxiliary verb? No. There is no any auxiliary verb. Nobody called me. So, if in this sentence there is no auxiliary verb, you have to bring auxiliary verb. So, which auxiliary verb you have to bring? You have to bring do, did, does. You have to bring do, did, does, and according to the tense. According to the tense. So, this sentence is obviously past tense because there is a called in the ed added. So if the sentence is if there is no auxiliary verb, you have to bring do, did, does. Then next one is question mark. This is very important for the tech question. This is very important for the tech question. Why? Suppose you solve this question easily. Okay, then you forget to put the question mark at the end of the sentence. You forget to put the question mark at the end of the sentence. This sentence will be incorrect and you will not get the marks for this solving sentence. So you should remember one thing, and this is a very important thing. You have to obviously put the question mark at the end of the sentence. Otherwise, the sentence will not be correct. So these four things you have to memorize and you have to understand. So these are the basic things for solving the question, solving the tech question. Now I am going to my example. Here is example: John singing a song. First of all, you have to find out the auxiliary verb. You have to find out the auxiliary verb. So, is there an auxiliary verb? John is singing a song. Obviously, there is an auxiliary verb. The auxiliary verb is. Before that, I pronounce the auxiliary verb. Here is also is. So this is the auxiliary verb. And sorry, I forget one thing. Okay. John is singing a song. So this is the auxiliary verb. First of all, we find out. Then you have to find out that this sentence is affirmative or negative. So we can see that this sentence is obviously affirmative because there is no sign of negativity. There is a no, not, never, neither, nor. Is this no sign in this negativity? So you have to turn into negative. This sentence you have to turn into negative. So first of all, we have to put the auxiliary verb here, is. Then you have to turn into negative. So is not. Then what is the subject in this sentence? What is the subject of the sentence? Subject is John. And John is male or female. If it's male or female, it's suppose John is a male. So you have to put the noun here, and instead of noun you have to pronoun. You have to put the pronoun, isn't he? So we find out the auxiliary verb and we turn the sentence into negative. Then we bring a subject here. Then I solved my tag question correctly. But one thing you have to remember: you didn't put the question mark at the end of the sentence. If you don't put the question mark at the end of the sentence will be incorrect and you will not get any marks. So next one is she is pretty. She is pretty. So obviously before first one you have to find out the auxiliary verb. The auxiliary verb is. So I put the auxiliary verb here. Then you have to make it into negative, isn't? And she is male or female. Obviously she is a female. So isn't she here? Then you have to put the question mark at the end of the sentence. Then third one, Della was from UK. Della was from UK. So here you have to find the auxiliary verb. What is the auxiliary verb? Auxiliary verb is was, because was there. So I have to put first auxiliary verb was, then I have to make it into negative, wasn't. Then Della is a male or female. Obviously Della is a female. So instead of noun you have to put the pronoun she, wasn't she. Next one, nobody called me. Nobody called me. Okay. In this sentence, is there any auxiliary verb? No, there is no auxiliary verb. So you have to bring auxiliary verb. Who is auxiliary verb you have to bring? According to the tense, you have to bring the do, did, does. So do, did, does you have to bring according to the tense. So first of all, you have to find out the tense in the sentence. Obviously this is the first tense because there is a ed at the end of the verb. So if this is the first tense, you have to bring the did. If it is the first tense, you have to bring the did. Okay, I will put the did, and this is the affirmative sentence or negative sentence. Obviously this is the negative sentence because there is a sign of negativity. So the ultimate answer will be nobody called me. Did they? Because nobody is a plural. Then last one is an ideal student hardly studies. An ideal student hardly studies. So is there an auxiliary verb? No, there is no auxiliary verb. So I have to bring the auxiliary verb from this do, did, does. Before that, we have to find out the tense in this sentence. Obviously, this is the present tense because there is a as for yes. So and this is the affirmative or negative. Obviously, this is a negative because hardly is a negative word. So I have to bring does because this is the present tense. Does and hardly is a negative word, so I don't need to make it negative. And does an ideal student. This is the plural. This is the subject. Does he? An ideal student means a single student. So this is the noun will be he. So these things are very important for this is the primary things for knowing the tag question, and I am repeating the same things. You have to know 4 basic things if you want to get, and if you want to get good marks, and if you know the properly tag question, you have to first of all know the auxiliary verb, and auxiliary verb, these auxiliary verbs are you have to memorize, you must be memorized. Then you have to find out this sentence is affirmative or negative. If the sentence is affirmative, then you have to make into negative. Then if there is no auxiliary verb, then you have to bring 3 auxiliary verb, which is do, did, does. So then at the end of the sentence you have to obviously put question marks. Otherwise your tag question will not properly and you will not get any marks. So that's all for today. Thank you very much. And if you miss my previous classes, you can charge on my YouTube or Facebook.